Sitting has become a huge part of modern life, but too much of it can seriously harm your health. From back pain and poor posture to increased risk of heart disease and decreased metabolism, long periods of sitting take a bigger toll than many realize. The good news: small, simple changes can make a big difference. Today, we'll explore the dangers of sitting too long and share practical strategies to keep your body moving, energized, and healthy throughout the day. Today, we will talk about the dangers of sitting too long and how to fix it. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Why sitting is risky for your health. Sitting for extended periods has become a common lifestyle habit, especially for office workers and those working from home. Research shows that prolonged sitting negatively affects circulation, metabolism, and muscle activity. When you remain seated for hours, blood flow slows, leading to poor oxygen delivery to muscles and organs. This can increase the risk of deep vein thrombosis, varicose veins, and blood clots. Additionally, prolonged inactivity reduces calorie burning, contributing to weight gain, insulin resistance, and metabolic disorders. The spinal discs and posture muscles also suffer, causing chronic back and neck pain. Even people who exercise regularly can experience negative effects if they sit too long during the day. Understanding the dangers of excessive sitting is the first step toward implementing practical solutions to maintain overall health and prevent long-term complications. 2. Effects on cardiovascular health. Extended sitting has a significant impact on heart and blood vessel health. Studies link sedentary behavior with increased blood pressure, elevated cholesterol levels, and higher risk of heart disease. When muscles are inactive, the body's ability to regulate blood sugar and fat metabolism declines, which can lead to plaque buildup in arteries. Reduced heart rate variability and poor circulation can also stress the cardiovascular system over time. Additionally, long periods of sitting can trigger inflammation, which is a key factor in heart disease. Even short breaks of standing or walking every 30 to 60 minutes have been shown to improve cardiovascular markers. Addressing prolonged sitting is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart, controlling blood pressure, and reducing the risk of life-threatening cardiovascular events in the long term. 3. Musculoskeletal problems from sitting. Sitting for hours puts immense pressure on the spine, hips, and neck, often causing chronic pain and stiffness. Poor posture, slouching, and leaning forward can compress spinal discs and strain the lower back, leading to long-term damage. Weak core and glute muscles from inactivity exacerbate these problems, creating an imbalance that increases injury risk. Neck and shoulder tension are also common due to hunching over computers or devices. Over time, this can contribute to postural deformities, decreased mobility, and persistent discomfort. Ergonomic interventions like adjusting chair height, lumbar support, and monitor position are essential. Combining posture correction with regular stretching and strengthening exercises helps prevent musculoskeletal issues and ensures the body remains functional and pain-free despite sedentary demands. 4. Impacts on metabolism and weight. Prolonged sitting slows metabolic processes, making it harder for the body to burn calories efficiently. Reduced muscle activity decreases glucose uptake, increasing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Sedentary behavior also lowers energy expenditure, contributing to fat accumulation, weight gain, and obesity-related health problems. Lipid metabolism is similarly impaired, leading to elevated triglycerides and cholesterol levels. Even short, frequent bouts of standing or light movement throughout the day can stimulate metabolism, improve glucose regulation, and promote fat utilization. Understanding that sitting affects metabolism as much as diet emphasizes the importance of integrating movement into daily routines. By counteracting these metabolic slowdowns, individuals can maintain a healthy weight, support hormonal balance, and reduce the risk of chronic metabolic diseases. 5. Mental health consequences. Extended sitting not only affects the body, but also impacts mental well-being. Sedentary behavior is linked to increased feelings of fatigue, stress, anxiety, and depression. Reduced physical activity decreases the production of endorphins and neurotransmitters that regulate mood, such as serotonin and dopamine. Sitting for long periods also limits exposure to natural light and breaks from screen time, which can worsen cognitive fatigue and emotional imbalance. Incorporating movement, even brief walks or stretching breaks, has been shown to enhance mood, focus, and energy levels. 6. Solutions. Frequent movement breaks. One of the most effective ways to combat the dangers of sitting is to take regular movement breaks. Standing up and walking for a few minutes every 30 to 60 minutes stimulates circulation, activates muscles, and prevents stiffness. Using reminders, phone alarms, or wearable devices can help maintain consistency. Simple activities like walking to the restroom, stretching, or performing light exercises at your desk can dramatically reduce health risks. Incorporating movement throughout the day counteracts the sedentary effects on metabolism, cardiovascular health, and musculoskeletal function. Over time, these micro breaks improve posture, energy levels, and overall vitality, creating sustainable habits that significantly reduce the long-term consequences of sitting. 7. Ergonomic workstation adjustments. Creating an ergonomic workspace can mitigate the strain caused by prolonged sitting. Adjustable chairs with proper lumbar support, desks at the correct height, and monitor screens positioned at eye level reduce musculoskeletal stress. Footrests and standing desks allow flexibility and encourage alternation between sitting and standing. Proper ergonomics also improve posture, reduce back and neck pain, and enhance productivity. Combining ergonomic adjustments with regular movement ensures a safer, healthier work environment. Paying attention to workstation design is not a luxury. It is a crucial preventive strategy to maintain spinal health and overall physical well-being during sedentary activities. 8. Incorporate active work strategies. Active work strategies, such as walking meetings, standing calls, or using a treadmill desk, help integrate movement into professional routines. These methods not only reduce sedentary time, but also boost energy, creativity, and engagement. Even small changes, like taking stairs instead of elevators or pacing while thinking, contribute to better circulation and muscle activity. Incorporating movement into work tasks makes activity habitual rather than disruptive. Over time, active strategies reduce the risks associated with prolonged sitting and create a healthier, more dynamic daily routine. These adjustments ensure both productivity and physical health are maintained. 9. Stretching and strengthening exercises. Targeted stretches and exercises combat the tightness and weakness caused by extended sitting. Hip flexor stretches, hamstring stretches, and spinal twists relieve tension, while core and glute strengthening improve posture and support spinal alignment. Regular exercise also boosts metabolism, cardiovascular function, and mental health. Incorporating short daily routines or quick desk workouts ensures consistent activation of muscles and prevents long-term damage. Strength and flexibility training complement movement breaks, ergonomics, and active work strategies, creating a comprehensive approach to counteract sedentary lifestyle effects. By addressing muscular imbalances, individuals enhance mobility, reduce pain, and maintain optimal body function. 10. Building a sustainable lifestyle. Ultimately, combating the dangers of sitting requires long-term lifestyle changes. Combining regular movement, ergonomic adjustments, active work strategies, stretching, and mindful habits creates a sustainable routine. Awareness of sedentary risks and proactive interventions fosters a healthier body, improved mental clarity, and increased energy. Over time, these habits become automatic, reducing chronic disease risk and promoting overall well-being. By making conscious choices to stay active, maintain proper posture, and integrate movement into daily life, individuals can enjoy a balanced, resilient, and healthy lifestyle, even in a modern sedentary world. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.